Ah, ah. Hello? Is stream alive? Did this work? Or I need... Ah, wait. Hello? Anyone there? Am I on the right stream? I'm going to check my... my YouTubes. It does say end stream here, so maybe it is here. Hello? Hello? Is there a delay? Right, I need to do several stuff. Go here. And then go here. Does that work? I don't know if I'm live. Is anyone there? Dayo. I think I'm live. I should be live. Okay, how do I manage this? I'm not used to OBS at all. Top chat, live chat. Can I go to live chat? Wait, how do I... Am I live? Okay, this is confusing. I need... Okay, OBS, please. Okay, I'm gonna check YouTube real quick. Am I live? Because I have no idea if I'm live or not. Oh. Okay, it seems I'm alive. Okay. How's the audio so far though? Is the audio a-okay? Or is it a bit scuff? Cause I had to play around again with the... What's it called? OBS, cause I use Streamlabs normally. Oh, why am I getting... What is this? Can I access your Google? Oh, I'm so lost right now. Okay, so YouTube should be live now. Now, how do I make someone a mod? Is that possible? We'll find that out later. But I think everything's working now, right? We'll do a mini just chatting, I guess, for now. Guess I figured things out. Now I don't want to go over like stream rules and stuff, right? Because I think I did quite a lot with the about page. Look at the social with links and all that. Like I've added like a lot of like work to it. Where it's like Twitter links, Discord links, thumbnail art, which is by me, but I don't need it because you know, it's just scuff thumbnail art, and BGM art. BGM is there. Yo, if I was acting up, is there a delay? Can you do a delay check with me, URL? Say turtle if you hear this. Turtle. Okay, so roughly 10-second delay. there's 10-second delay. I guess it's not that bad. You know, it's not the worst. I want to go through the rules of the stream. If you have suggestions, do tell me, because it's just like a setting up and getting used to it. I did change the latency to low latency, but I think it's the lowest I can get it to, because I'm at what's it called, Wi-Fi right now. Like, I'm not using cable, so I don't know if I can go higher than this or not. Maybe it automatically just reduces it, you know? Because it's like a low latency, and some others. Other than the ones suggested on Discord, should be fine. Okay. I guess that's about it. Wi-Fi gang, yeah. My Ethernet cable got bit off URL. One of my dogs, they passed through the boxes and they chewed it off. So I'm Wi-Fi gang now. Again, I hate it. It's so unstable. How's the stream quality though? Is it okay? Like, does it frame up if I do this? Like, it's a quality file. It's pretty clear. Okay, that's good. Okay, what else do we test? I want to make a mod. Low latency mode or super low? Yeah, I made it super low, but apparently still 10 seconds. Also, Mika, since you're here, Kitty, how do I make you a mod? How do I give you the range? That's the next question. Like, I even have an option to use 1080. That's good then. This is probably my highest stream quality ever, because I butcher myself on Twitch to a lower quality so I can stream better last time. But if this works, then it's fine. How do I give a range? Is there a command in here? Mod? No. Can I mod you? Do I click on your name? No. Okay, we'll figure this out. Open this real quick. You can click on the chat members user. Okay. And see options for mod. I'm out right now without earbuds, so I'm just logging in reading chat. Okay. Did I type that? I don't know if I did. Okay, let's see. I clicked the 3 dots, right? But nothing pops up. Why is that? Do I have to go to the YouTube chat itself? Maybe. Okay, I do have to do it that way. Add as moderator. There we go. And then... So you can't do it from OBS, but you can do it from the stuff. There you go. You got a range. And for progress, right? I've done several parts. I need to do more hands. The shirt is not final yet. I need to finish up shoes. And what else? Although I'm not gonna do it on stream. I'm just gonna figure out what's it called? YouTube stuff for a bit. You're a mechanic in Twitter chats? Exactly. Exactly. And it's chatting as well. Now, the things I want to do on stream, right? There's a lot of activities I want. Like, I want to make YouTube videos, right? But I simply can't record and edit videos. Like, I can't do it. Shiro skirt? Yeah, skirt is, I don't know. I'm embracing it right now. I'm embracing it so much. What's it called? I want to make videos and stuff, but I want to change it You didn't do the actual hands yet? I'm catching up. So I might do tutorials on like YouTube stuff, but I'm gonna kinda portray it as a live stream. So I would just go live and I would record in quotation mark the videos, right? And that would be it. Like I would just go live, explain or teach the topic, right? And I would just go there. YouTube Shorts? Nah. I really can't edit. I suck at it. Once I get the money, I'm definitely hiring an editor. Definitely. Because it's definitely a thing I have to get good at or pay someone to do, right? Because I can't do it. Archive can be like a video array, to be honest. Yeah. I'd say like the VODs, as long as you keep things in topic, right? And not go too stray, which means a stream would have one topic and I would go all out, right? I've been thinking about this, right? If it ends up being like a 30-minute stream, right? And let's say I'm talking about draw orders for Live 2D. I explain things and the logics of things for like an hour. And afterwards, I can just stream doing it myself on my own work. Stick to a script, kinda, yeah. But I don't really like making a script, I'm gonna improv things. And afterwards, after it's done, I can do my work and just be a normal stream, right? But what I could do is I could timestamp it in the VOD later. Like a start of stream in this second. And then explanations from this to this second, right? And then start off like the actual stream at this point. Or I end stream and just make a new stream. There's two ways to go about this right now. I don't know which one to go with. Do I make multiple videos? Or do I make one video and cut them up? One video and one live stream, right? Just the idea. Another one is playing games. I want to go back to playing games. Like I want to finish Code Vein. I have that to finish. What else? There's some light, not virtual novels. I don't know what they're called. Like you know the KFC Corona one. Games like that. Like there's some that I do wanna look into and play. One video and cutting it up is good. Yeah, probably. Yeah, just timestamp it, right? Because I wonder if the YouTube algorithm is good for this stuff. Because I know that it's kind of hard, right? YouTube algorithm. So what if I do it this way? In a way that's controversial. Where it's just live streams and not actual videos. But they're like pretending to be live streams, you know? But actually a video. And this way, if let's say I'm doing explanations on draw order, right? And someone in chat comes up with a question, I can literally just say, oh, and if this is the case, then this and that, right? You're down to help editing, to be honest, if your streams aren't too difficult to edit? Wait, really? Are you sure? Editing is tough. It's very tough. I think I'll handle like timestamps. I don't think it's too much work right now, at least. Timestamping is all good. Another thing I went through is like the art tags and all that. Like I tried to make it as professional as possible. So I had this like general tag and like art tag, food tag, life tag, fan name, you know. And fan name is something I'm still not used to up to this point, right? Because some of the people in chat ends up being my friends, right? And I can't call them crawlettes at all, right? It doesn't make sense. I think clips, so that's somewhere to start. Only if you want to though. I can't afford to pay right now. VTuber tags, yeah. So the general hashtag is a Shirouette, like hashtag Shirouette. It's pretty simple. The art tag is Shiro Art. The food tag is Shiro Omelette. the live tag Shirouette duty. Now, what do you do in live tags? That's something I'm not sure. Is it just me posting on Twitter saying I'm live and stuff like that, and the general Shirouette is just people who wanna, I don't know, meme or something, a general thing, and Crawlettes is just a fan name. They're like this insect. You do it voluntarily? Ah, okay. Now as for rules, I do wanna go into it a bit more, right? No backseat and spoilers unless permitted, right? Live tags are for viewers to live react or talk about what happened. Okay, that's good to know. Now no backseat and spoilers. Like I don't mind. Like sometimes I do hate backseating, right? But then there are times when I do need help, and when I do need help, I will ask, you know. But spoilers I am against though. Like spoiler talk is definitely a no-go. Unless it's something like from ages ago, like spoiler for Naruto. He is Ninetales, you know, that kind of stuff. It's, if you don't know yet, it's kind of pointless, right? Do not spam or use harmful words. Any self-explanatory, right? And I think if someone's spamming, right, this is another thing that I kinda feel whenever I'm like in chat sometimes, right, and there's a person spamming or a bot, right, or using harmful words. I think it's best to just ignore them and let the mods and the streamer handle them, and just don't initiate an argument back, I guess, because at that point both of you will end up being kicked or timed out. Anything that you don't feel comfortable, you should be restricted. Yeah. Now, do not post any links without permission. I think it's obvious, right? Like, let's say you wanna show art or like, let's say, share a link to your YouTube or something, or self-advertising. I don't want self-advertisement, but if I ask for it, then sure. Or if you want to show me like a funny meme or something, or a picture, right? Just permissions first. The likelihood of me saying yes is higher than just posting it out there, which would result in like a timeout or a ban. No advertising is what I already said earlier. I do not like people advertising on my streams. Like, hey Shiro. Now I won't call out names, but some people exist. I've met people like this. You check out my new song. You know, that kind of stuff. I count those as like self-advertisement in a way. Like you just come in and just say, oh, check out my new art, or oh, check out my YouTube, or check out my new song. That kind of thing I hate. I don't like that. Now this one, no politics, religion, drugs, piracy talks. I think that's obvious. Don't do that. You've got several advertisers in your chat. It sucks. Yeah, it does suck. And I will be extremely strict on YouTube, because YouTube is a strict platform, right? I'm more lenient on Twitch, because I've always been too lenient in my opinion. But on YouTube, I'm gonna be more strict on everything. Be mindful and respectful to everyone. That's obvious. Just be kind to everyone, really. Try to stay on topic on streams. Now this is the thing, right? Sometimes on streams, when there's a topic around, like let's say I'm playing a game, Code Vein, right? And suddenly person A comes in and just starts chatting about some other topics. Hey, have you listened to this new song or something, right? I feel like unless it's part of the topic, I'd like to stay on topic, especially for games, right? Because it's a major turn off for me for playing games on stream. When I'm playing a game and someone just starts talking about other stuffs, not relating to the games at all. Like let's say, oh, how's your art doing, or how's your life, how's your stuff. I'd rather chat stay on the topic of like the game itself, you know, rather than distracting and going everywhere. At least that's my opinion on things. You had this one dude join in to ask whether they can rework my overlay when I clearly said that I wasn't interested because I don't want to land myself this is where I end up being, which I can't. Yeah. You can never. Welcome Justice. Welcome to stream. But yeah, that's mainly it for staying on topic. Like if it's just chatting stream, then it's free talk, you know. I'll have free talk streams, and free talk streams you can talk about anything you want, as long as there's no topic at hand. Like if I'm just quiet, you know, and you want to add something to the conversation, you can do that. But in terms of like gaming and stuff like that, I wanted to stay focused on the topic, which is the game, and not something else random. Now this is something I hate, you know. Let's say we make some, you know, funny moments, right, in my stream, right? And it's kind of fun, right? It's like a inside joke of sorts. Please do not bring inside jokes to other live streamers' chats, right? And I dislike this. Like, don't bring memes to another person's live stream when I'm there as well, and just laugh about it, you know? Because, sure, me and you, we get it. But the live streamer that's, you know, doing that might not. And I think it's more, I get more annoyed at that, I'd say, when you're in someone else's stream and I'm there as well, or even if I'm not there and you start talking about things that happen on my stream, unless it's like asked by the person, like don't bring it up, that kind of thing, because it feels like you're just, again, not being on topic on their stream in a way. Do save my work? Don't worry, saved. I've not done anything yet, just that. Now, do not click links in general, right? So if you see some weird bots, now I've been modding for a while on YouTube, and the bots here are creative with their emojis, right? Like they're dangerous. How? How do I save my work? Save. It's 21 minutes. This stream Justice is just me setting up YouTube and learning how it works. Like learning how to mod people, learning how to, I guess, audio balance and seeing if it works or not. And I guess making a good foundation, I guess. Because for the first like couple minutes, I didn't even know if I was live or not. I think there's a funny thing, right? In OBS, it's like this start streaming and also advanced streaming or something like that, right? You're not putting up chat? Not right now. I don't know if that's set up yet. Let's see. The nice thing about YouTube chat, right? I don't really need this here. Because in a VOD, right? You can see the chat replays. And you don't really need to have like a chat on screen at all times. So I find it less important on YouTube. It is still important if you plan to move over your Twitch VODs to YouTube though, because you won't have the chat replays. I think one way to do this, right? Once you schedule a stream, right? You can go to your OBS and you can select like an advanced option, like besides start streaming, where you can select which streams to log into. So I logged into this stream and I start stream afterwards, which kind of works. So I think that's how it's done. Now, this is another thing, besides not clicking links. Don't talk about age, you know? Like, I know there are some rule breakers out there, young people, who goes into streams when they're not meant to be, you know? Like, way too young for this kind of streams. Now, if you're mature enough, keep your age to yourself. You know, don't go around talking about it. Because I do not want like young people in my streams, because I curse, and I don't think I don't want to be responsible, you know, like bad influence wise. And I do want to. I'm sometimes tempted to talk about not say so stuff, you know, or sometimes things that I find too sensitive of a topic. So I do prefer mature people on my streams. Now, if you do say you're, you know, underage, then I would have to say bye-bye. because I don't welcome it. Streaming on 1080? Apparently. How's the stream quality though? Is it lagging? Because it's Wi-Fi right now. If it's good, then I'll take it. Because OBS is kinda saying red right now. And sometimes green is just playing up and down. Time to do URLs overlays as well. The goodest those. Overlays are tough, man. You were looking, what did you miss? I was continuing with the rules pretty much. Like no underage people. Like I prefer mature audience than kids. I don't mind if you're like a kid, but you're mature enough, I guess. It's fine. What I hate most is like kids who act like kids. Or even adults who act like kids. And let's have fun spending time together. I think that's the only thing that came over from Twitch, right? My Twitch stream rules just have fun, you know? But there we go. Another thing I wanna add, right? Like besides like the credits for like thumbnail art, BGM, and all those, I do wanna have like a friends list of sorts. Like currently I have some only, the one that I play with a lot most of the time. I don't know, this is coming from a lazy person, right? I don't want to edit this like about page whenever I want into a collab, you know, and like, oh, who am I playing with? You know? Rules are hidden under more. Yeah, they are. And I do want to add like, most people will miss it. I think people will read it, you know? And if not, then they'll suffer. I'll time them out and tell them to read the rules, you know? You need to own before I work on someone else's. So now you're safe. That's good. But yeah, mainly for friends, I do want to add them in. Just underneath, so if I ever do collab with them, or if they hop on in like a like a chat or something, right? You can easily find them eventually. I remember seeing something like adding rules before you are able to chat. I don't know how that works. Well, look it up then. They should. Yeah, I need to. I know it happens on Twitch, right? Like Twitch, you can make it like so that the rules appear first, and you can agree to it. YouTube streams rules. How do I do it? A mystery to this day. And for business stuff, with permission, would all go to my email. So yeah, how do we set that up? I've never really chatted on YouTube often. Like the only time I did chat was on Kaya streams, and I've never chatted in anyone else's YouTube streams. And I can't remember if like there's a pop-up saying read the rules and stuff like that. I'm not sure. Let me Google around for a bit. Give me a bit. Can I move this here? Also, I'm currently learning OBS, right? I saw Nijisanji members doing it. I don't know what they call it over here. I know it looks like Twitch. I don't know. I've never chatted in like Nijisanji members as well. Like I can switch between these two, which is pretty nice. You know, it's kinda okay. You hate YouTube chat system? Honestly, I feel like you can get used to it. Personally, I like modding in YouTube more. Like modding as a mod on Twitch, I find it harder than it is on YouTube personally. Chat is weird. It's something you have to get used to for sure. Like I got used to it quite quick. Other than that, what else is there to do? Okay, we'll figure this out. YouTube. Stream. Chat tools. There's something to call top chat and live chat. I know there's like a pinned comments, right, or something. How to use YouTube live chat? Open YouTube Studio, Community, Moderators box. Type the name of the user you wanna moderator. Huh. There's how do they even categorize? I think there's something on the YouTube stuff that allows you to categorize it. YouTube is easier to admit that. Yeah, it's way easier. Timeout, hide users. I like the word hide users though. Like, hiding them means they can still watch, right? But they just can't interact. I feel like that's the impression I got from it. There are times where top chat is not the full chat. Okay. Now, can I do this while I'm live? That's the real question. Okay, I'm gonna open YouTube Studio. Another funny thing, YouTube Studio is such a messy thing. Let's open it up. Like, I'm not used to the layout of it yet, so it's still a mess. Let's see, what does the guide tell me to do? From the left, click Settings, Community. Settings, Community. YouTube Studio is a mess to me. Yeah, it is. I think it's always a mess. Like, even Twitch when I first started is a mess, but it's less of a mess, I'd say. I think it's the same for like everything though. Like when you first start, you just have to get used to everything. I think once you start to adapt, you'll be used to it again. It's a sudden change that makes it a bit more tough. Automatic filters, click the moderators box, type the same name of the user to make moderator, click save. Okay, there's moderators. How do I make the rules though? Lesser things to mess up, yeah. I think mainly because Twitch is all about live streams and not videos, right? Approved users, hidden users. Live redirects. Allows other creators to send their viewers to any of your live streams or premieres. Wait, what? Okay, allows other creators to send their viewers to any of your live streams. Your content can only be selected for live redirect if it's upcoming or in progress. Okay, all channels can redirect to my content. That's a no, right? Because I remember Kaya mentioning about hate rates and all that being so dangerous on YouTube. This option is disabled if your channel subscriptions are private. What's my subscriptions? YouTube stream managing is a hassle because you need to open separate window to deal with it, unlike Twitch, who can manage direct from OBS. Yeah, definitely, yeah. I think mods is more important on YouTube. Okay, privacy. Playlist and subscription. Keep my subscription private. Wait, what? Can redirect to my content? No. Okay, that's not. Specific channels that can redirect to my content. Live redirect are like rates, but it's kinda broken. I know Needy Sanji people do it often. Okay. YouTube can also remove you anytime they like. Oh. Oh no. I hope that doesn't happen. Now for an example, right, let's say Kai. I know Kai's probably the only one that streams on YouTube right now. So if I were to do this, and I go here, I click this, I click that, okay, then that works. Now, blocked words. All existing and future comments containing or closely matching these words will be held for review. Live chat message containing or closely matching these words will be blocked. YouTube can just send a snap if you accidentally just open up something copyrighted. That's true. I know how dangerous YouTube is, personally. I once posted a video of what's it called? A speed paint. And I used a song that's not meant to be. And it got taken down pretty much. I got a warning for it. And I made it take it down instantly because I panicked. Which is why no random songs here on YouTube. Only proper songs that I can do. Like with the current Lolitova syndrome, right? I have to link it to that page. And it should be okay. Technically. I watched a streamer who was new to streaming on YouTube. I forgot you couldn't be a React Andy. Yeah, don't be a React Andy. I personally dislike React Andys, even on Twitch. Like, I get like React content can be fun sometimes, like watching you react to something, right? But I don't like it. You got a random warning also. Speaking of YouTube, there's one time, right? Like, I have my school YouTube with the school email I use, right? With my real name and all that. And I got another one. A previous Shiro account before this one. That I used just for watching YouTube, right? And that account got banned for no reason. No reason at all. Like, I did not like anything. I did not comment anything. Because back then I didn't do anything but watch, right? I didn't do anything. And my account got blocked for it. I have no idea why that was. Let's make a new account and here I am. To this day. Still alive, which is good. Now, blocked words. What word should I block on stream? Definitely, I don't know what words. This is kind of hard. What words are bad? Enter comma separated values. I forgot what bots normally say. Block links. URLs sent in live chat are already blocked. If you select this option, new comments and hashtags and URLs will be held for review. Block. I can just block links then. Yeah, I'll just block links. Blocked words. I don't know what words to block. Like, is there anything that's like bad? If you use music that is not copyright and someday the creator decided that I want to copyright my song, get banned for no reason, that would suck if that's the case. Man, I can't think of bad words to block. Like, I curse a lot. Like, I know I don't curse on stream a lot, I noticed that. But off streams, when I'm just playing games, I curse a lot. Especially when I play with my brother, my friends, right? Sometimes when I get into it, I tend to curse. I want to curse less, but at the same time, I don't want to restrict people in chat to curse less, unless it's something really offensive. A lot of people are affected at the time. I know like some YouTube content creators that got affected by that, and it's kind of sucks to see, honestly. It sucks to see that happen. Let's see, ban words. The N-word, right? The N-word is a no-go. How do you even spell that? This? Like the N-word, personally, right? I find no use for it. Like, people who use it for the sake of getting a reaction, I hate them. Okay, the R word is a no-go as well. What else is kind of cruel? I need to keep thinking. What are some cruel curse words that if you say it even as a joke, it's still not good? Because I don't want to ban like the word like fuck or something, right? I feel like what the fuck or like something like that. People say it often, and it's also like a normal vocabulary, you know? You're like this, people are pricks. People are pricks, I don't know, I think that's still tame. Still tame words. I think the R word as well, right? Oh, I guess this one as well. Enter comma. So, okay. What other words? Man, this is testing my brain capabilities. What other words are really bad? If you don't copyright the songs, then do not copyright after like 5 years. Yeah, definitely. If it's meant to be copyright free, I agree with that. Like, I know it's a tricky topic to talk about on stream though. Like these block words. Because you can't really type it on stream to tell me that this word is bad. Unless you can just hint at it. I don't want to ban the word like check this or like buy, you know. Wait, can I make it like a phrase? Buy followers, like let's say there's a bot that's buy followers, right? And stuff like that. Does that work? Yeah, okay. What other stuff is there? Come on. You face a lot of bots. I remember YouTube's one is something about adult stuff. It's something strange. Click this link here. You know what? You got a like? Ah, thank you. Like and subscribe. Should I block the word like and subscribe? Like that phrase. I'm just joking. Click this link. You know, let's ban that word. Something I definitely don't want to become, right? It's those YouTubers are just like, how's it going, everyone? Today we're gonna do this, do that, and stuff and stuff. I hate that so much. Whenever video starts that way, I just die inside. Maybe subscribe, it's okay. Yeah. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe button and ring the notification bell or something. It's always there. You have no energy for that? Or the same. It's too much. What words do I not like? I don't really have much, I guess. Now for bots, right? I'm glad there's no bots yet so far. I know I shouldn't summon bots, but I kinda wanna see how it goes from my perspective. Can I ban someone from OBS, or should I open YouTube and ban them there? I guess I can just see, right? No, I can't. Okay, I have to do it on... Okay, I have to do everything on YouTube then. For this scenario. Agreements, all users, okay. Permissions, upload defaults, advanced settings, no. Channel. Do you want to set your channel made for kids? No. This channel is... Set this channel as not made for kids. Okay. Don't show potentially inappropriate words. Advertisement, disable internet-based ads. Allow viewers to clip my content. Allow. Save. Yeah, how do I do this stuff for chat? What is chat moderation? Chat moderation is the act of reviewing and regulating. Okay. Why can't I chat on YouTube streams? live host will choose to disable the chat function. If that's the case, you will not see the chat on the right side of the screen. Instead, you'll see a notice that says chat is disabled for this live stream. Okay. How long is the timeout? 5 minutes. I guess read the rules is a mandatory thing for YouTube. Hopefully it's a common courtesy. Hopefully. And if it's not, then they'll get timed out for it. If they ask why, read the rules, right? I think that's fair enough. And another thing, right? How many times timeouts before ban? What's fair? I feel like if you get timed out twice for repeated actions, maliciously, you're out instantly. If you are just acting immature, you might just be out instantly, no warnings, depending on how severe it is. You don't read any rules in any stream. Well, most of the time you're just being a decent human being, just as you're good to go. This is already the common courtesy kind of deal, you know. But this comes to the topic of like one of the rules, right? Where I don't want you to talk about like inside jokes on my streams, on other people's streams, when they don't even know what's going on. Like if I spot that, I might have to do it manually and just time them out on my stream or ban them on my stream. If that's the case, you know? That kind of stuff. Devil. Yeah. But I think other than that, audio is good, everything's all good. Another thing that I hate so far is if I got to schedule streams, right? And I hate schedules so much. Like it kills me. It kills me a lot inside. Like scheduling something and actually going through it. Because normally I just like clicking the start live button and I'm there, you know. But I have to get used to this like schedule system. I feel like it's a must going forward. But yeah, as to what contents to look out for, mini live stream video tutorials. I said casual. What did I say? Casually just going live, you know. Just, hey, I'm live now, without any notifications or earlier assessment or like, you know, scheduling. I'm a guerrilla streamer to the core. Another thing is gaming streams. I want to bring them back as well. Drawing streams, not so much, honestly. Because I feel like drawing, what's there to see in drawing, right? You can't. I don't feel like you can learn much from seeing people draw. I guess you can technically. I just don't really do it that often. I find rigging streams more interesting, so I might just draw off stream and do rigging tutorial streams on YouTube. You have nothing planned for yours? Just gotta start planning out just that. So that I feel like it's respecting people's time, right? Like setting a stream when someone is like making a schedule, a set schedule for a week, means that if someone's, you know, not available or if they can make time on some days, they can adjust to your schedule. But if you just go instantly live, you kinda, actually with Twitch, right? Because the VODs don't last forever. In YouTube, I can still justify it a bit, because you can just say go watch the VOD, it's always there. But for Twitch streams, you can't really say that unless you have like a YouTube catalog of like past streams. You'll be the most random person ever. Yes, random person. But yeah, as for what content to do, gaming streams, even when you stream with friends, like, do you guys want to see me play games with friends? If they're okay with it, I'll ask them, obviously. Just with some like in real life friends as well. Would that be an entertainment for you? Like watching me play some games, like, I don't know, Monster Hunter, that's them. Would that be entertaining? Because I do like the idea, right? Of like playing it on stream and just having it as memories. And in the future, right, I can just react to them as an old man. This is another thing I want as an old man, right? I want to be an old man VTuber, right? And my activities will just be reliving the past, you know, like an old man. Just watching all the past things that happened in life as a content creator or streamer or VTuber, right? And just reliving those moments again. Like, oh, remember this happened? And maybe if like some of my friends grow old as well and they wanna hang out, right? And they can watch what we did, what foolish things we did in the past. And I feel like those kind of moments is kind of funny. You know? I kinda like fantasizing about that. Feel that the stream is moving, unlike mine, lonely. I do get that though. Streaming with not many people on chat, it's heartbreaking. It's heart-wrenching. And I got lucky that some people came by, introduced me to people, make friends on Twitch and stuff like that. Because without them, I don't think I would ever interact with many streamers. Like before then, all I did was talk with my Twitter friends. They stream occasionally. And that's about it. My online friends. Like I only made one online friend from like a MMO. And the rest is just from Twitch, really. Another thing is keeping things on topic, right? Like practicing to keep talking. Like I'm currently practicing right now as we're doing this. To just never stop. Just keep talking. Non-stop. Until it ends. Which means I won't be streaming for long. Like the moment I run out of topics, I'll end stream. Or like art streams or like work streams or rigging, right? If at some point I can't talk anymore or I run out of topics to talk about, I'd call it a day. Because my plan is to have my VODs be rewatchable at all times. So dead seconds. If I just have dead seconds, like a dead 5 minutes where I just chill and do nothing at all, right? Or at least do work but not talk, then you know, it's not gonna cut it as a rewatchable VOD. That's the word. Especially for art streams. Because art streams, they're nice to look at but they're slow. Same with rigging. They're nice to look at the start and the end results. What happens in between, if it's too slow, people sleep, you know? It's a sleeper. Unless you just have a good background music, or people talk. Conversations that keeps things intriguing. Without that, you kinda suffer. I stopped talking to myself a long time ago. I do not know what to talk about with myself, so I'm glad people showed up, honestly. Because if I were to talk to myself, right, it would literally be me just remembering the past. And maybe getting depressed. At some points. Let's see. I think I've repeated myself quite often now. Like audio is okay, I assume, right? There's no issues with that. Overlay will come later after I finish up my model. I think after I finish my PNG, I'll make one simple overlay. Flash work, just a basic border cut, basic chat log, basic everything, right? And after that, I'll do a rigging stream. But as I was, I don't know. I think I might do several tutorials in between though. Like I can probably do a mini tutorial on some rigging phases, like for beginners, right? Because there's some important things that I can easily talk about without having a full model already. You have an idea for your background? Ganba. My background right now, I mean, do you want to see my loading screen? Look at that. Look at my loading screen, amazing. But yeah, that's that. In terms of music, I did commission music already for myself. It's done, but I can't use it yet. So in the meantime, I'll be using this Nova intro music for most of my streams. Mine is yours is more trash. Ah, don't be that way. Don't be that way. Surely it'll be better. Surely. But yeah, I think that's it for now. Thanks for checking up on YouTube with me. I can't figure out the stream rules, but hopefully it's common courtesy to read rules first, you know, before chatting. Maybe I should make a pinned comment to people, you know, I don't even know how to do a pinned comment. It's not impossible. Like I know it's possible, but how do you do it? That kind of thing. But yeah, thanks for hanging out today. I'll end stream. This is a good test run. I'll probably do one more stream next week. Maybe one stream a week, right? One scheduled stream a week. At least, minimum. It's in YouTube Studio. Oh man, oh, okay, let me look it up real quick. YouTube Studio. General? No, close. Live stream. How do I pin something? I can pin message. So I can do this, right? Means you will miss. I'll schedule most of my streams just as. There will not be a stream where I just feel like it and not schedule it. Like I'll schedule it a day before, at most. This one, I kinda messed up. I scheduled it yesterday, but it didn't show up at all. Because his account is not active all the time. Oh no. Well, I guess I'll see you when I see you, Justus. Read rules. Like if I type this on chat, and I go here, bit message. Does it work? Can you see it now? Bit message, read rules. Yeah, you can see it now. Okay. Okay, that's good to know. So that's how bit messages work. After that, I think it's just streaming then, right? It's just getting back to it. So yeah, an hour stream for this, it's not bad. Audio's okay. I'll have to ask around again for... I know like there's Giri and also Nomis, one of my friends, that's really good at like handling OBS stuff. So I'll ask him around later. But yeah, thanks for hanging out today. I really can't end the streams, but yeah. Bye bye, Jane. Or Janya. I'll see you sometime later in the future. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.